Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search within the map section in the Busch Gardens application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the map button at the bottom of the page on the right. And as you can see, there are different categories that you can search for, like animals or rides, but you can also search the name of the attraction. So if you want to do that, just click on that. And for example, if you want to search for alligators, then just type that in. And then click on that, and then you will be able to see all the place where this show and this like presentation takes place within the park. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.